Inside the $3.5 billion investment powering food delivery robots. Imagine a world where food delivery robots and drones become integral to our daily lives. This vision is rapidly approaching reality, as evidenced by the impressive $3.5 billion in investments received by robotics companies specializing in food logistics since 2019, as reported by the Wall Street Journal. This financial backing, drawn from PitchBook data, has driven significant technological advancements, enabling robots that can navigate their environments much like driverless cars and equipping drones with robust artificial intelligence for improved operations. Keller Renato Clifton, the CEO of Zipline, a pioneering drone delivery service, observed a growing discontent among restaurants towards the current delivery landscape. In a statement, he noted, "We're constantly hearing that these restaurants are deeply unhappy with the status quo. This sentiment indicates a willingness among food establishments to embrace innovative solutions." However, it's important to understand that getting approval to operate drones and robots within city limits can be quite challenging. Despite these hurdles, supporters of this emerging technology advocate for its potential to make food delivery services more cost-effective. After all, robot delivery workers do not require tips and don't command salaries like human workers do, presenting a unique economic advantage. Moreover, the role of AI-driven robots is expanding beyond just delivering meals. They're also actively involved in serving, cooking, and even preparing cocktails. According to PIMNTS, the integration of robotics into both customer interaction and kitchen operations is becoming increasingly prevalent as restaurants confront a complex array of issues, including soaring label and ingredient prices, ongoing staff shortages, and an escalating demand from consumers for quick and efficient service. Forecasts suggest that the restaurant robotics industry will surpass a staggering $10 billion by 2030, driven by broader deployments in various applications such as delivery services, order taking, and table service operations. For example, Uber Eats has recently rolled out autonomous delivery robots developed by Serve Robotics in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, with plans to deploy 2,000 of these AI-enhanced delivery bots across the United States this year. In a notable acquisition, South Korea's LG Electronics acquired a controlling 51% stake in Bear Robotics in January 2023, a move designed to bolster its presence in the robotics sector. Bear Robotics is recognized for crafting AI-powered autonomous service robots. Similarly, Miso Robotics unveiled an upgraded version of its Flippy Fry Station during January, the next generation of their well-known robot designed specifically for food preparation. This innovative robot boasts capabilities ranging from frying French fries and onion rings to preparing chicken, tacos, and other fried delicacies. Meanwhile, the Adam robot by Richtech Robotics has made headlines for exceeding 16,000 drinks served at Cluffy & Tea in Las Vegas by June 2023. Equipped with advanced vision technology, Adam ingeniously regulates the amount of liquid poured and adapts its pouring angle and flow rate as required. As we delve deeper into the intersection of robotics and food delivery, one can't help but wonder, are we ready for a future where robots take on more responsibilities in our restaurants? What implications might this have for the workforce and the overall quality of service? The conversation is just beginning, and your thoughts are more than welcome. Do you agree with the potential benefits of robotic technology in food delivery? Or do you harbor concerns regarding its impact on employment and customer experience? Share your opinions below. LA's food delivery robot revolution. Pros, cons, and future. Are you ready for a future where robots roam the streets, delivering your food? It's happening in Los Angeles, and it's set to transform neighborhoods like Silver Lake. Coco Robotics, a startup that originated from UCLA, is poised to flood the city with hundreds more of its charming delivery bots, equipped with advanced AI similar to what powers ChatGPT. For years, Coco has been testing its robots across various parts of Los Angeles. Now, the company is ready to scale up dramatically, aiming to increase its fleet tenfold within the next year. This means adding 9,000 more robots to the approximately 1,000 currently operating nationwide. In Silver Lake, one of the latest neighborhoods to welcome these robotic delivery assistants, reactions are mixed. This spring, Coco introduced around 10 delivery robots to serve local restaurants and residents. These pink, rounded machines are part of a growing fleet that extends from Santa Monica to downtown LA. One incident stands out. A robot delivering a burger from the window took an unexpected route, climbing a steep hill and attempting to navigate stairs before getting stuck. A frustrated customer had to cancel the order, missing out on lunch. The robot would have just stayed there forever if I didn't cancel, recounted a former Silver Lake resident on Reddit, highlighting the challenges these bots face in unfamiliar areas. Coco selects neighborhoods based on factors like population density, proximity of restaurants, and ease of parking. Their goal is to reduce urban congestion and free up parking spaces without adding more cars to the roads. We wanted to create a vehicle that's enjoyable for merchants to use, explained Zav Rash, co-founder of Coco. It helps them handle more orders efficiently. While the bots can be charming and entertaining, they also come with their quirks. Benjamin Atwell, who works at Midi's Tacos, found the robots fascinating and even created TikTok videos featuring them. They're like local mascots, he said. Kids love them. Robots have become a hit with some businesses too. At Creation Organic, the health-focused cafe, robot deliveries have boosted sales as families are drawn to the novelty. Senior Operations Manager Jefferson No Ortiz noted that the robots are more polite than human drivers. DoorDash drivers can sometimes be rude, Ortiz said. The robot is convenient and doesn't argue back. Retired librarian Bob Timmerman found the robot delivery process straightforward and efficient. However, not all deliveries go smoothly. Some robots have been known to glitch in intersections, causing traffic jams and accidents. The introduction of these robots has raised concerns among human delivery drivers. Julia Rogero, a food delivery driver in West Hollywood and Silver Lake, has noticed a significant decrease in her delivery requests. She now spends an hour to get 1 or 2 orders, down from 5 or 6 per hour previously. They're doing deliveries that we can do, for they're taking our income, Rogero said, reflecting a broader worry among gig workers. Rash maintains that robots aren't necessarily displacing human drivers. We have more demand than we can handle right now, he said. The delivery market is enormous. Coco's robots focus on shorter trips, leaving longer, potentially more lucrative deliveries to human drivers. The company operates more than 1,000 robots across multiple cities and aims to produce 10,000 robots next year, positioning itself as the largest autonomous vehicle fleet. We are the cheapest and most profitable way to deliver anything in a city today, Rash claimed. Coco generates revenue through platforms like Uber Eats, direct payments from merchants, and leasing parts of its fleet to restaurants and advertising services. Despite the benefits, the economic impact on human workers remains a significant concern. Eric Ernst, an occasional Instacart delivery driver, sees the robots as a threat to human jobs. It's cool, but it's taking work away from people, he said. As these delivery robots continue to roll out, they promise to bring both convenience and controversy. How will this affect our neighborhoods, and what does it mean for the future of food delivery? The answers are still evolving, and the conversation is far from over.